Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this Christmas Eve night, December 24th, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Christmas Eve day out there so far. Everybody has a great Christmas Eve night. So everybody continue to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be looking at these storm systems moving across the country, and also some systems developing down in the Caribbean Sea. As you can see, here is one system up here around St. John's, Nova Scotia area. That's that little area, low pressure here, that brought some precipitation to the eastern Carolinas and continue to push on offshore. Got a little system here on the central tropical Atlantic. Got a system here down in the Caribbean Sea. Look like it's trying to get its act together. We'll have to continue to monitor that and see if anything could develop on the out season of hurricane season, so we'll continue to monitor that. Also, we got activity across South America, Central America, also across Mexico. The little system here you see over Texas bringing some severe thunderstorms and some tornadoes to portions of Texas, and that will continue to push east as we continue to roll through tonight. That will push in toward Louisiana, Arkansas, and maybe over to Mississippi. So could bring some severe weather possible in that area also. Alright, also we got another system moving in out here in the Rocky Mountains, stretching from portions of Montana back into portion of Wyoming, northwestern Colorado, also into Utah, down to Arizona, California, Washington, Oregon State, and Idaho region. Then we got another system out here fixing to make a exit stage east into portions of the western United States, and you can see the subtropical jet is starting to get active once again. As you can see it moving across the Pacific, across Central America, and then kind of across Florida, and then right up the eastern coast. Right now the northern jet's still well north into Canada right now, so that's where currently the northern jet is at this time. So alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road here, folks. Alright, you can see we got thunderstorms and shower down here across portions of Florida, down toward the Florida Keys, and in the Gulf of Mexico, and also some in the Atlantic coastal waters. More thunderstorms and shower from the Gulf of Mexico into Texas, stretching up to Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi region. And then we got shower activity in the Gulf of Mexico, stretching through the Panhandle, Florida, Alabama, Mississippi, Arkansas to Oklahoma, Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, portion of Ohio, portion of Iowa as well. Got a few pockets of snow up here around the Great Lakes region in southeast Canada. More mixed precipitation from Montana all the way down to New Mexico, including Colorado, Wyoming, Utah, Arizona, Idaho, portion of Nevada, California, even central and southwestern California as well. Got a little shower activity along the southern California coast, and more mixed precipitation through Washington, Oregon State, with some pockets of heavy snow there also. Then we got more shower activity along Washington, Oregon State, northwest California, and a little bit inland. All of this activity is for your Christmas day, and I want to say Merry Christmas to everyone out there as well. Alrighty, let's move on to your Thursday forecast. As you can see, we got shower activity stretching from up here around the Great Lakes to Michigan to Wisconsin, down to portion of Nebraska, Kansas, portion of Texas, also down toward Mississippi, Tennessee, Kentucky, Indiana, Illinois, Missouri region. Thunderstorms and shower for portions of southern North Carolina through South Carolina, all the way down into Florida, Florida Keys, back to the Gulf of Mexico, stretching through Mississippi, Alabama, Arkansas, Oklahoma, Texas region. The yellow slash area here across eastern Texas, northwestern portions of Louisiana, some severe thunderstorm possible. Then we got shower activity along the coastal area of Washington, Oregon State, down into California, a little bit inland in Washington, Oregon State. Pockets of heavy snow across Idaho, Washington, Oregon State, northern California. Then we got mixed precipitation from there, stretching over to portions of Montana, Wyoming, Colorado, New Mexico, Utah, Arizona, Nevada, California, Washington, Oregon State, and Idaho region. Alright, otherwise expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area, and this is for your Thursday, December 26th. Alright, let's move on to your current watches and warning advisory map for your location across the nation. Alright, you can see we got dense fog advisory stretching from North Dakota, South Dakota, through Kansas, Nebraska, portions of northwestern Missouri, east western Iowa, and also southwestern Minnesota. Here's that severe thunderstorm watch down here across Texas. Also got that ongoing tornado warning there as well. A severe thunderstorm warning and some flood advisory there for that Texas region as well. Flood advisory over here in portion of Arkansas also. Air quality alerts down here in portion of Arizona. Then we got wind advisory for California, Nevada, and also up in the portion of northern California, Washington, Oregon State. Hydro issues there as well. High wind warning is also in effect. We have some winter storm warnings in effect for Washington State. More winter weather advisory for portions of Washington and portion of Montana, also Oregon, and also California and Nevada regions. And winter storm watch has been posted for portion of Idaho and Wayne County in Oregon. Alright, we got the small craft advisory and also gale warning stretching from Maine to portions of the Boston area, then again from Outer Banks in North Carolina down to the east coast of Florida, then again from Southern California to Washington State. Storm warnings right along coastal areas of Washington and Oregon states as well. Small craft advisory around the Hawaiian Chain Island, also around the Alaska area. Freeze and spray warnings there in the blue. And then we have winter weather advisory, winter storm warnings for central Alaska. Alright, take a look at the severe weather potential. This is for day number 3. We're going to go ahead and give you a heads up on day number 3, which is Thursday. As you can see, we have a slight risk down here in portion of Louisiana around Shreveport, Lupkins, Waco, you included, just east of Dallas, just east of Austin. Then the marginal risk this includes Austin up toward Dallas, also Alexandria, Louisiana, and then general thunderstorms stretching from Oklahoma to Norman, Oklahoma, to Fort Steele, to Wichita Falls, Abilene, San Antonio, just west of New Orleans as well. And also more general thunderstorm from up here just west of Seattle to Portland, Eugene, Medford, and northwestern California. Probability should be 5 and 15% right in this area here across Texas and Louisiana, also portion of Arkansas and Oklahoma. And here is a satellite imagery of the southeastern U.S. We have some cloud cover stretching from up here off the Outer Banks of North Carolina, also down across North Florida, also into the Gulf of Mexico, and also more cloud cover also up towards West Virginia, western North Carolina, much of Tennessee, and also portions of Kentucky as well. Alrighty, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not already. Like the video, share the video, consider subscribing one more time, and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. And also take care and have a wonderful Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas once again. Take care, and we'll catch you back in the next one. So have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas Eve night. Take care.